Hello friends and welcome back to our session of Standard 8 Mathematics NCERT book. Here we were discussing about our chapter lesson number 5 data handling. In that we discussed how to present the data in different types of graph. Now here we will just follow the things that exercise 5.2. It is given that a group of people are asked that which season they like. So they are asked about three different seasons. So they told that some of the people, that is 90 people, liked summer season, rainy season are liked by 120 people, and winter is liked by 150 people. So here, as per the liking of the people, we find the total number of people. So if we do the summation of this, we get total people is 360 degree. Okay. Now, using this data, we are asked to find how much degree we can take for these 90 people in our pie chart, if we want to draw our pie chart. So, the summer season is 90 and that 90 people is out of total. The total given to us is 360 people. So, for summer 90 people is out of how much? 360 multiplied by 360 degree. We want to convert it into degree. So 360 get cancelled. So obviously it will be 90 degree. Same way you can go for rainy season. The liking 120 people and total people is 360 and we want to find out degree. So this ones are, it cancel it out, so 120 degree. And similarly, you can find it for winter season. That is 150 divided by 360 multiplied by 360 degree. So 360 ones are 361. So here 150 degree. So when we want to draw a pie chart, we can use this degree and draw the pie chart. Now based on this, some three questions are asked, and that three questions are: the first question, which season got the most water? तो कौन सी सीजन को सबसे ज्यादा वोट मिले हैं? The answer will be, which season got the most water? The answer will be winter. Most of the people like winter season. The second question, find the degree at the sector of the angle. अगर हम एंगल बनाते हैं तो कौन से डिग्री एंगल होगा? अगर हम पाई चार्ट बनाते हैं तो it will be 90 degree, 120 degree and 150 degree. ये 3 डिग्री उसको टोटल कर लेगी 360 डिग्री. Now, or answer number 3, they have asked question, draw a pie chart using this data. अब उसके लिए हम लोग ने डिग्री भी चाहिए, that also we have got. Okay, और इसका टोटल भी मिल गया हमको 360 डिग्री. So, third question, we will draw a pie chart. I'm not good at drawing, but बन गया. The center OP. In the previous how to draw the pie chart using degree मैंने सिखाया. So O to P first, and this P as a center लेके within the protector and 0 degree here. First 90 degree. So using the protector you will draw 90 degree. This much part. This will be for summer season. इसको नाम दे दें Q. For Q को प्रोटेक्टर को सेंटर में रख के we want to draw 120 degree. Q को रख के 120 degree. It will be like this. So 120 degree, it is rainy season. And the remaining will be 150 degree. And this season will be winter. You can draw this pie chart in your notebook and complete this second question also. Hope so this much clear to you all. God bless you.